Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the headliner on your Mitsubishi, this is on a Rally Art, but it could be a Lancer and Evo, they're all pretty much the same. This is anything that's 08 up to, I believe, 15. So, pretty simple. I already have the little sun visors removed. Those are just going to be two little screws right here. Undo those, and then it'll kind of fold out. And the clip for the sun visor is actually a little bit hard to get out. I was using a pocket screwdriver. You push in the tab right there, and same on this side, because it goes up like so, and it'll just pop out of place. Got to remove those two first, and then next up we'll be on to the dome light spot. Alrighty. So next up we're going to go ahead and take out the dome lights. You won't actually have to pull the bulbs or anything out for this. You can leave them in. But there's an electrical connector right here, which is for your door switch, just to let, turn the lights on when the door is open or not. So we'll have to disconnect that. Simple push and pull, that comes out. There's no screws, actually, that I've noticed at least, holding this in. So all you gotta do is give a little bit of a pry. You can see there's a metal clip right here. So that's going to be what's holding this in. That'll come out like that. Here's the connector for the actual bulbs themselves. Same push and pull style. Oof. And there's that part out. Alrighty, so for this center one, it's going to be a little bit different than the front. There's a little notch right there that you can stick a pocket screwdriver in. Pull down the cover. And there's two screws, 1 and 2 right there for this one. So we simply just take those out. There's one. There's 2. And then this cover pops right off. And there would be an electrical connector here. I was wondering why this was never turning on. That's the problem, it's just not hooked up. So, up here somewhere there's a connector that would just, I'm assuming, plug into right here. But, yeah, anyway, that's our problem, not yours. Alrighty, so now that we're still in the back, we'll go ahead and remove these handles. It's really simple, you'll just need a pocket screwdriver. Pry these covers off. You can see there is I believe that's an 8mm on both sides. Or you can just use a screw bit. Simply line it up, back these out, and then they've got just a little tab holding them in, possibly. Yep, just 2 little tabs, and then they come straight out. So, alrighty, so now that we've removed all the handles, the fronts are the exact same as the rear, so it's simple. We've got everything out. Next step you want to do is remove the weather stripping around the windows. It's pretty simple. You just peel down from the outside and just keep going, and it'll bring it all the way down. You want to get it off all doors just so that it's not holding onto the corner of the headliner right here, so that we can pull this out. Alrighty, so next part we're going to want to do is remove these pillars. It'll make getting the headliner easier, well, out easier because it's tucked up under there. So for this B pillar, there's this little circle cap. You can just pop it out with a pocket screwdriver, and there is a 10mm on the inside there. So simply just take your socket, maybe without this extension. Let me get that in there. Pull that guy out. There's the bolt. And then, yep, right there. So just as simple as that, just get it loose. You don't need to pull it all the way off, and that'll give us access to the headliner a lot easier. For the rear and the front, they're just gonna be plastic clips, nothing special. So you just gotta, get over here real quick. Just stick your hand in, pry, it'll pop like that. There's a little tab in here that'll hold it in place. And then that's loose enough again because we can get to the back of the headliner from there. Alrighty, so once we've got all of these down, the final part you'll want to do is pull out these two clips in the back. You can probably do it with a pocket screwdriver, but if you've got a trim remover tool, that works too. Simple little clips like that. We'll pull down these two in the back, and then as you can see, the headliner is loose already. So once we pull that down, the whole headliner will basically fall out. Alright, so now we have the whole headliner completely down from the roof. It's pretty easy. These foam have like a little bit of sticky on them, but I mean, they don't leave a residue or mark or anything, so we're good. Obviously, you'll want to fold down your seats to give you the maximum room, and I'm thinking the largest door will be this passenger one because we won't have to deal with the steering wheel. You will have to fold the headliner a little bit. It is a flexible material. It will kind of crease a little bit though, but it'll return back to normal. And you'll basically have to taco fold it out of this door, and then you'll be able to wrap your headliner or whatever you're doing with it. Alright, so here's the headliner completely out of the car. Pretty easy to get out of that door. You really don't have to fold it too much. The plastic clips, those on the back part make it a little bit hard, but generally comes out pretty easy. So we're going to go ahead and wrap ours with a, what is it? I'll show you a quick picture before I end the video. Boom. That. So that's what our headliner is going to be in. But anyway, that's just a quick video on how to remove the headliner. I didn't see one, so I thought I'd make it for you guys. So that's all for this video. If you like it, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.